These last few weeks has been one of the most difficult time periods I've ever had to deal with. Things are going crazy in my personal life and in my business. It feels like I just can't catch a break. But now that things are calming down, I wanted to tap in with you guys and let you guys know what's been going on and where I've been over the last few weeks and when you guys can expect some more videos from me. So this is a Boss Family update for all of you guys that really rock with me and those of you who care about me and have been watching my journey for these past years. And that's exactly how I built this channel, sharing my ups and downs and everything that I'm going through. And I think that's what really sets me apart from some of these other cleaning business YouTubers, is sharing all of the good, the bad, and the ugly. And as of right now, I got some ugly to share with you.
Look, this for all my boss babe. Go do your boss day. Loving how you boss babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing. Look, this for all my boss babe. Go do your boss day.
So, speaking of ugly, those of you who follow me on other platforms may already know that I sustained an injury to my face that has me in hiding for the last 3 weeks while I get surgery and heal up and deal with swelling and all of that stuff. And you guys typically know I don't care how I get on this camera and how I look when I come to you guys. I'm usually bummy or in sweats or in t-shirts or street clothes. It doesn't matter. I really just record videos when I have the chance to, so I usually don't care how I look. But this is different. So I take my family down to Portland while I get some work stuff done. And it's Memorial Day weekend, and just trying to get the kids to spend some time with family that we have down there and whatnot. So we're all in the hotel chilling, take them down to the pool. Long story short, I end up smacking my face on the bottom of this pool. I've been embarrassed. I haven't wanted any of my employees to see me, any of my clients to see me. Hell, I didn't even want my family to see me. Now, of course, after making sure my health wasn't in jeopardy, I began to think, what the hell am I going to do about my businesses? I am literally the face of my companies. I have a YouTube channel that's full of my face. How am I going to do videos without my face? How am I going to go and negotiate these contracts and make deals and talk to people and go to video shoots and do video meetings for my media company without my face, with my face looking the way that it does? I'm not a vain person. Yes, I like being handsome. I like the way I looked before. I like, whatever. You're just like another normal person, not completely narcissistic, but I like looking good. And now I don't feel like I can even be in front of anybody. I've been ashamed to even walk outside or go to the grocery store, let alone point a camera at my face. And just as I bring up family, right after this accident on Memorial Day happens, my uncle dies in Louisiana. So before I could even get surgery to fix and address some of these issues, now I have to go take a plane, which means I have to go through an airport with this face, fly all the way back home to Louisiana and stare in all of my family's face with my face looking the way it does. And I was just not excited to do it. It did not make me feel good. But it's my family. My uncle passed. I loved him so much, and I wanted to be there for the rest of my family. And I'm glad I did. I'm glad I made that choice because it brought something to light and kind of showed me a way that I might be able to get through this. And now, despite the fact that I haven't been working in my cleaning business, so it's stagnated, I haven't been showing my face in my already failing media company, so it's become stagnant. The only thing that hasn't really been stagnant has been this YouTube channel, and that's thanks to you guys, because I haven't uploaded a video in 3 weeks. But this is probably one of my best performing months on YouTube, and I have no one to thank but you guys for that, so I'm really appreciative. And so I wanted to make sure I came through with a video for you guys in any way that I could. And with all of that, I'm in good spirits. By the time you guys hear this, I should be all healed up. I may not be on camera, but I should be all healed up by the time you hear this, and in good spirits. And I'm really in a positive mood about where things are going, because I've figured a couple things out that have remotivated me and have reminded me that I can still do this no matter what comes up. I'm always going to have to deal with life issues, and things are always going to happen. It may not always seem fair, and sometimes it may seem like when it rains, it pours, and everything negative happens at one time. But it's easy to get to stay down when you're getting beat up. But I know I'm in a good space now, and I think that all of my companies are going to be okay, and we're going to do what we have to do to get back to it. I don't want you guys thinking that I'm just down and out because things are going a little difficult for me. My life is not completely in shambles. Yes, there's some things that are ways that I wish they weren't. But all in all, I am in good spirits, and I'm still ready to attack this business, and I'm ready to get back after it. Especially now that I'm healing, and I got a lot more energy, and I'm back, in my office. I'm not giving up, and I don't want you guys to give up. These are the exact type of things that we all go through. You guys aren't the only people that go through problems or trials and tribulations. These are things that everyone has to go through. It's just that the ones of us who push through are the ones of us who end up being successful. So push through whatever it is that you got going on right now. If you think you don't have time, you do have time. Create time, because your business is what's going to be able to allow you the space in your life to do the things you need to do, like should someone die, be able to fly and leave immediately to across the country, or if you have an injury, you can pay for things out of pocket. Those are the things that you want to be able to do, and that's going to come from you being successful in your business. So never give up, and don't let the bad things stop you from pushing forward and making progress. I love you guys. I hope this video brings you some value. I hope I made it somewhat entertaining. This is a new style, obviously, without me showing my face. But I appreciate you guys being here. This channel doesn't exist without you. I always try to provide as much value as I possibly can. So if you do not have a way to present your business, your cleaning contract, your cleaning proposal to your potential client, I have a template in my description. The link in the description says free proposal template. Go check that out. Download it. You can customize it for your own. Take my pictures off, put your pictures up, and make it your own and match it to whatever your offer is to your client, and it's in a pretty way, and so that it makes it aesthetic and presentable to your clients, and really increases your chances of closing that contract and that deal. Also, if you want to chat with me, I just started a new Instagram and TikTok completely for the Boss Fam, totally dedicated to you guys. I have no followers over there, so go follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Cleaning Boss Family, because that's what we are. So Cleaning Boss Family on IG and on TikTok. I will no longer be responding to any cleaning business stuff on any of my other pages. So go follow me on there. I'll be happy to chat with you. You can DM me or what have you. If you are looking to book a consultation, then the link is also in the description. Go and click the link in the description and schedule a time that works for you, and it'll put you right on my calendar, and we can work through whatever problems you're having in your business and get you to the next level. Again, I love y'all. I really appreciate y'all being here for me. Stick with me through this little rough patch, and I promise I will be back soon. I'm going to start doing lives every Tuesday. Not sure what time yet. I'll probably make a community post or something about that, but stick around, man. I love y'all. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.